Join meanwhile. So, good afternoon or good evening, everyone. So, thanks for joining. And today is mainly it's a kind of online celebration for the students or for the schools who has participated in the inter-school competition. So we have a good response from the registrations from the schools, almost like 10 schools have registered with the different branches. So altogether, we have got 105 registrations, including the different branches from the school. So I would say it is a good response. So thanks for you all. And let me present the today's slides, how we start with. So let me know if you see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Thank you. Kindly mute yourself so that let's keep it without much noise. And I would appreciate if you don't scribble on the board. So, okay. Maybe I can remove the rights to disable. Okay, cool. Okay, so welcome again. So today we'll have around 45 minutes to 50 minutes based on how much time we spent on the presentation of the product and the Q&A session from the students and parents and from teachers. So we'll give a quick introduction about TodoBuddy because many of the students or the parents at schools also new to it. And Ms. Shalini from Gitanjali, the global school, will give her a few lines about her experience and her students' experience overall. And we announced the winners, the rewards, especially from the Serbotech company who are associate partner for this event. And there will be a product presentation from Serbotech by Mr. Paresh, who is the director and business development. And then we'll have students who can also share their experience, and then we can close the session. Okay, so what is TodoBuddy and about us? So TodoBuddy is an AI-based assessment platform. Basically, we are into the e-assessment from last 3.5 years, and basically the main motivation is to determine the gaps, learning gaps in the students' academic journey by providing the comprehensive reports so that they can optimize their learning. So they don't need to read the same topics which they already know. Instead, they identify where the improvements are needed, and then they can focus on those areas in the overall academic year. We are specialized in conducting the national and international level championships and Olympiads, especially online, so which reduces the cost and efforts for organizing such events, and also the logistic issues. And with the post-COVID, this became a new normal. And we have value-added learning programs which are not covered in the academic curriculum, but enhances the academic learning in the students, like learnings like Vedic maths, abacus, STEM and robotics, and coding classes and computer based on the age-wise. And we conduct the educational workshops and the trainings with especially the international educational curriculum consultants. And we provide the comprehensive reports for both the parents and the teachers so that it helps them to identify the gaps in the students' learning to take the corresponding measures. So what we do, we have self-assessments for the students and we have weekly championships, and every Saturday at 7:30 p.m. India time, all the logged in users can participate in this championship, and it is class-wise. So you will get the ranks based on the class-wise, and you can download the e-certificates also by yourself. And we conduct the inter-school championships like how we are doing now. And we conduct the national and international level championships also. Like recently we conducted Vedic maths and national level competition, and abacus national level competition, and earlier we conducted science marathon 2021. So we conduct the innovative workshops, and we conduct the innovative workshops, especially in the workshops on Vedic maths, abacus, STEM, and robotics, coding classes for the students. So in case if the school wants to have such workshops, we can contact us anytime. So there are quite benefits for the students and for the parents using this platform, because the students gain the confidence by getting into the assessments. And excuse me, could you please unmute yourself? Thank you. And they can, by practicing or participating in these assessments or the championship, basically they will lose the fear of exams. And then within these questions, by solving these questions itself, they learn quite a lot of things about the concepts, and they build the competitive spirit. And for parents also, they can generate their own assessments for their kids based on their interest, and we provide the detailed reports which helps for the parents to take the measures. And it gives a sort of hands-on for the proactive learning, like in terms of on what topic of what subject I can provide some tuitions, or I can ask my teacher or my kids school teacher to give some little more focus based on the reports what we generate. And coming back to the value-added learning courses, we are starting, as I mentioned, we cover Vedic maths, abacus, STEM, and robotics, and computer and coding classes. So which is of 3 months of 3 to 4 months of duration, with 1 hour to 2 hours per 90 minutes per class in a week. And we are starting from 4th of December, the new batch. So it is mainly on weekends, especially on Saturdays and Sundays. So it depends on the school timings of the students. So we have maximum of 12 students per the batch. So you can go to www.tudubuddy.com or in your parent login. So probably you can get to know these details. Okay, now coming to the winners for the inter-school championship, you can find the name of the student from each class and their rank, and the school who has participated from. Though we have not covered the branch of the school, yeah, but here all the details are there. So maybe you can have a look of this. 1 minute.
And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and all.
So probably someone is taken. Yeah, thank you. So for the winners, there will be a gifts from the partner, from the associate partner, Serbotech, who will be providing the products for the usage, and also we'll be sending the trophies with the school, with the trophies with the rank of the student to the school itself, and we coordinate with the school to hand over it to the students later on. And we have got quite some requests from the parents and from elder students, like how to generate the e-certificate. For that, we have added this information. You log in as a parent to the parent module from TodoBuddy, and you click on the championship and click on the completed, and then you will find the certificate for the exam what we have taken. So this is how the certificate looks like. So this is the picture which you need to upload before generating the certificate and the child profile. And you make sure that you write the correct school name so that it will reflect in the school name, and the rest are all taken from the exam, like the date and the time, the subject, what is this, and also the inter-school championship, the title. So you all get all these details automatically. So if you have any questions, always reach us, or write an email to info@tudubuddy.com. Yes, this is the product demonstration. And then, so I will stop sharing now. Now, probably I will invite Ms. Shalini Rachakonda, the senior teacher from Geetanjali, the Global School, Hyderabad, to give her few lines about her experience and her students' experience.
Happy afternoon, sir. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Happy afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Now, it has been very, very encouraging and a motivation to our children, sir. they're like helping hands from your end. Every time when I disturb your coordinator, she always helped us with all the login code, all those. And these kind of exams generally will help our, these kind of exams will generally help our children to like motivate to know their real potential knowledge and how to survive in this modern competitive world. Not only that, it also helps to think about the deeper scientific thinking skills and learning skills, and the concept based skills will be enhanced due to this kind of competition, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thanks, madam. Thanks. Really, what you mentioned is right. So students also
And
need
you're always a helping hand for us, sir. You're like, I have disturbed your coordinator late night in the 10 o'clock. She
Yeah.
have answered it in very patiently.
Correct. She was mentioning me these details. That's right. Glad that we are able to help the teachers. Basically, the problem, what happened, I would like to mention here. Friday was on holiday, which we were not aware. And then we have sent the
Yes, sir.
details on Thursday evening. But most of the emails went to the spam folder where the teachers were not able to check on time and provide the information. So probably this is a learning for us also, which will make sure that streamline the process to find the details or the information more easily, so that you can provide this information to the students in advance, madam. Sure, we will take this as a note and improve ourselves. Thanks.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. And next we will move to the Serbotech company, who actually gives the knowledge or the product presentation, especially for the information which they would like to share on the rewards. What kind of rewards are these? How to use them? Is it online or offline? All this kind of information. So 1 minute. Yeah. So I would like to introduce Serbotech. First of all, is one of the leading research and development organization in the field of brainwaves, neuroplasticity, brain-computer interface technology. So through the research, Serbotech have developed cognitive assessment and training programs, which are both online and offline, the individual problem-solving skills along with other skills. These programs are based on research papers by leading scientists, psychologists, and neurologists. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Paresh, Director and Business Development, to speak few lines about the competition and then get into the product demo to make sure the students or the students understand about the products, how to use it, and the next steps.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the 15 winners. That's something that I want to say. The first, congratulations to all the 15 winners. These are the first beautiful steps that you all have taken in your life, and these steps are only going to get bigger and bigger. And the world is only going to get better and better for you all, if you keep on continuously doing whatever you're doing across. So congratulations to all of you. And now, who am I? Yeah. And what is Serbotech? So what are we? What is this award that you all have won? So let me talk about this award first. This award is one program which is completely online. This program will basically help all the children who are going to participate and get these awards, all these children to do better. They will only help you. These programs will help you, for better concentration. This program will help you for ensuring that you're able to remember in a better manner. This program will help you to think much better. Your self-confidence will go up. So this program is something that is going to bring a lot of change in your life. So that is how this entire program is. How this program is going to work, what is it? My colleague Shweta will be telling us in terms of when she gives a demo. But before that demo, we'll give a small little presentation in terms of what this program is all about. What is Serbotech? What do we do? How does this program work? And how this program will help all you children to better in your life. And to teachers like Shalini ma'am is here, and there are many other teachers who are here over here. Now, how this program will help the school and the children in the school to ensure that they're able to perform better when it comes to academics. Yeah, Shweta, if you can just share the presentation. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide. As sir rightly said, we are primarily a research and development organization, and we work in the fields of brain waves, neuroplasticity, and brain computer interface. So brain waves is nothing but waves in the brain. Now brain has got a lot of waves. So now these waves is something that we have researched a lot on these waves, right? And similarly, neuroplasticity is all about memory, and brain computer interface technology is all about brain communicating with computer. So we have been researching in this field, and through this research, Shweta, I'll go to the next slide. We are basically working on cognitive skills. Now, what is cognitive skills? So cognitive skills is something which is very important for everyone. So if somebody who has got good cognitive skills, they can acquire knowledge very nicely. After that, whatever knowledge has been acquired by that person, for example, you're learning in the school. If there are children learning in the school, that they'll acquire some knowledge, they'll gain some knowledge from the school. They'll focus on what the teacher is teaching. After focusing, they'll be able to process that information in the brain. That is called manipulation of information, and then store it. Oh, this is what the teacher is trying to say across. This is what I have learned. So acquisition of knowledge, manipulation of information, and reasoning. This is what this entire program basically does. And this program will ensure that the attention, memory, learning, decision-making abilities, then your language skills, everything gets better and better. So as per the Hindu, it is one of the leading newspapers, and in South, it is one of the prominent newspapers in South. Now they state that, cognitive skills are very, very important. Somebody with inadequate cognitive skills will not be able to learn to that better level. So whether the child is intelligent, smart, doing very well in studies, or child is not doing very well, above average, or average students, or below average students, for everyone, cognitive skills needs to be enhanced so they can get better and better. For above average students, this entire cognitive skills will help the learning process. They'll make the learning process very easy. For below average students, this entire cognitive skills will ensure that the learning process will become easy for them. The time required will be less, and the understanding will be better. So cognitive skills is very important, and schools can participate in these programs by ensuring that they conduct a lot of physical activities, brain exercises, and activities like arts, music, craft, Sudoku, then crosswords. Many more such activities will basically help the child to ensure that the child's cognitive skills gets enhanced. And what our program does is, our program only provides you online opportunity to do a lot of activities online. For activities related to arts, activities related to music, Sudoku, crosswords, a lot of such activities what we provide across. Okay. Now, cognitive skills is one area which is an undeveloped area. It is an unaddressed area at this point of time. You've got tuition classes, you've got many training institutes for competitive exams, soft skills, NSDC, a lot of programs are there. Unfortunately, cognitive skills, there are nothing which is available in the market at this point of time. And that's the reason why it is very important that we all together need to work on this area, and we ensure that the children's cognitive skills are enhanced day by day, because the future skills for jobs is going to be cognitive skills and social behavioral skills. Yeah, Shweta, go to the next slide. That is what the government recognized, and so government also has made cognitive skills as an important part in the new education policy 2020. So this new education policy, if I look at the various sections, right from 1.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.8, 4.12, 4.35, 9.2, all these particular sections in this particularly new education policy basically talks about cognitive skills. It talks about how the cognitive assessment and training can get better and better. And Sarbotic is only ensuring that this entire new education, this entire thing stated in the new education policy is taken care by our program. Yeah, we'll go to the next slide. So what do we have? One program, the first program, we applied the brain computer interface technology. So we have developed technology in such a way that we are able to acquire the brain waves. So while the child is doing some activity, the brain waves levels keep changing. If the child is stressed, then the brain levels will act in different manner. So we're able to acquire, if we are able to capture all these brain waves on a computer using a NeuroSky headband. It's a very safe process. It is nothing, it is like taking an ECG. So similar like ECG, you take it for heart. This entire process is by connecting and taking an EEG process for the brain. After taking those brain waves, we are able to decode these brain waves and generate a report which talks about what is the child's concentration level, what is the child's what is the child stress level, memory level, what multiple levels that are there across. These all things can be defined or can be taken care by this particular program. Right? And then there are online programs which Shweta will be able to tell us better in terms of what these online programs are. And this is what you children will have to do. This online program, listen to Shweta ma'am very carefully. She'll be able to tell you what this online program is all about. She'll give you a demo also of this online program. Yeah, Shweta, go to the next slide. So there are various things. We can continue, Shweta. We can go to the next slide. So now these online programs, there are 4 online programs that we have for children. The first online program is Focus, BrainHat Focus program, which enhances the concentration level and the focus level of the child. Right. The second program is Memory program, which enhances the memory, short-term memory and the long-term memory of the child. The third program is Intelligence program. This program will enhance the self-confidence of the child. This program will enhance the language skills of the child. This program will enhance the visual skills of the child. This program will logical intelligence. This program will enhance visual intelligence. So multiple intelligences is what this program basically enhances. Overall, the self-confidence of the child gets better and better. The child's performance through this program get better in terms of social behavioral skills also. And the fourth program is BrainHat Genius program. Now this program is a combo program. It will enhance the focus, memory, intelligence, everything. So all these 3 programs are 1 month. So all children, you'll have to do this program for only 1 month. And somebody who gets a Genius program, that program, the child will have to do it for 2 months. But this program will ensure that the focus will go up, the memory will go up, and the intelligence will go up. What is this program all about? We'll explain. What program should you select? That also will explain. Yeah. Now, how much time do you have to spend in this program? The only total time spent in this program, only 70 minutes in a day. Out of that 70 minutes, 30 minutes is when the child, when you go to sleep, when the child goes to sleep. So that is the time when you have to do this 30 minutes. Rest 40 minutes during the day, anytime during the day, you have to do it at various times. What are the activities? I will not tell you right now. Shweta ma'am will tell you about the activities. First, Shweta ma'am will tell you how can you choose the program. How will you come to know what program I have to choose? Maybe if parents are there, parents can take this test. Maybe you can ask your parents also to join in if possible.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Now,
Hello, ma'am.
yeah. Now make yourself mute. Okay. Otherwise, I won't be able to speak, right? Yeah. So it's not like I'm talking and you were all are listening. It's afternoon time. Everybody gets their lunch, and now it's feeling like sleeping time kind of things. And everybody at home. So at Sunday, so like SI. So we'll do in a talking manner, like conversation hoga. I ask some question, you have to answer me. Okay, you can write it down on a chat box. We'll not unmute ourselves for speaking, right? So I ask some questions. You just raise your hand if you feel the same. Okay, like whenever you go for an exam or go for a test, you read everything, but you forget some portion. You forget sometimes. Yeah, right? Everybody feels that. Or you can raise a hand from the reaction, right? Yeah. Okay. Whenever you sit for the study, after 5, 10, 15 minutes, you lost the track. You are thinking something else. Who feels that? Everybody? Yeah. See? Nandini and Ujasvi, everybody feels that. Shrikar. Pranab, yeah, exactly, right?
No,
So
even me.
yeah, my next question is, once you finish one chapter of, for an example, science or a SS or a maths, after a 2-3 months of time, 80% of content you forget. You have to rereading. You are not doing any time like, revision thing. You always have to read that content again, read that syllabus again. Everybody? So why this happen? We are already a bright student. You all are winner, right? You just win the competition. Why this happened to us? Shalini ma'am also feels that, class may 100 bache or, 20 or 40, whatever strength is there. But, सारे बच्चों का सेम कंसंट्रेशन नहीं होता. There are some
Yes, exactly.
physically they're present but mentally they're absent, right?
Exactly. In the afternoon time, that to social period.
Exactly. So why this happened to us? We are from a research and development organization. So I have a exact answer. कैसा होता है brain में, क्या होता है कि we lost the track or we forget everything and all. So good amount of stress or good amount of tension, it's good for our brain. Do you know that? We always feel that tension is not good, stress lena it's not good, but it's really good. But nowadays, with this generation, aapki jo generation hai na, they are taking too much stress and too much tension. है ना, एक छोटा सा टेस्ट भी होता है, you get you got tension that test I have to prepare something like that, right? Everybody feels the same. So the excessive stress and excessive tension, continuous stress and continuous tension, it gives problems to our brain. So our body is already meant, our brain is already meant such like this, it's naturally release some chemical or hormones. So there is a one chemical, its name is a cortisol. If you heard the name, किसी ने नाम सुना है cortisol? नहीं सुना. So it's a stress hormone. जब भी हम stress में होते हैं ना, that hormone is released. Now the problem is we are taking too much stress, तो वो cortisol भी too much release होता है. Now our brain is also designed. Too much cortisol से क्या होता है? Do you know who is the CEO of our brain? कहाँ से हमारी decision making, concentration?
Cerebrum.
Yeah, exactly. Or you can say cerebrum or prefrontal lobe, right? This one, it's
Yes,
our CEO
yes.
of our brain, right? It takes the responsibility of focus, it takes the responsibility of memory formation, it takes the responsibility of decision making, problem solving skill, everything. So whatever we are doing in a day-to-day life, we are in study, whatever we are doing, it's just by doing our prefrontal lobe. Okay, up too much cortisol impact and that prefrontal lobe. That too much cortisol, it reduce its ability. Kiski ability? This prefrontal lobe. Okay, now we know this problem. Our body is naturally designed for antidotes also. Agar too much cortisol release hota hai, so they have another chemical who can balance it. Okay, so that chemical we call it as a dose. I will ask anybody ki kya hai, dose kya hai? D for dopamine, it's our happiness hormone. So you win this competition, you get happiness. That time dopamine is released in our brain. Okay, that is one is dopamine. O stand for oxytocin, S stand for serotonin, and E stand for endorphins. Okay, this four are our happiness. जब भी हम happy होते हैं या फिर कुछ achievement होता है या फिर हमारी teachers like शाली मैम सारे बच्चों को praise करती है, you did a very good job, आप सारे बच्चे जीत गए. So that gives you a dopamine release, the dose release. Okay, तो हम कैसे उसको गेन कर पाए? हम सबको तो नहीं बोल सकते ना आज मुझे प्रेज करो, आई नीड डोपामिन, ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकते ना. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू दैट वी कैन इंक्रीज द डोपामिन एंड दैट्स हाउ वी कैन इंक्रीज आवर कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रीफ्रंटल लोब. ओके, सो देयर आर सम सेट ऑफ एक्टिविटी, set of you can say games were there. The Boston University, the Harvard University, they already research on this field. And हमने क्या किया पता है, एज ए सर्वोटेक जो भी एक्टिविटीज जो भी चीजें उन्होंने बोली थी कि दिस आर द इंक्रीज योर कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ योर प्रीफ्रंटल लोब, दैट वी कन्वर्ट इन प्रैक्टिकल मैनर. सो अभी जो आप विन हुए हो, जो चीज आपको एज अ गिफ्ट एज अ प्राइज मिली है, द मॉड्यूल, द सर्वोटेक मॉड्यूल्स are just designed for it also. Okay, so it's about 1 month or 2 months. What you have to do, you have to regularly do this activity, and usse kya hoga, kaun answer de payega? Once you complete this program, your prefrontal lobe is too much active. आपकी कंपनी, ये जो ब्रेन है उसका सीईओ है प्रीफ्रंटल लोब है ना, वो एकदम एक्टिव हो जाएगा. देन यू कैन इजीली फोकस, यू कैन इजीली मेमोराइज, यू कैन इजीली स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इन एकेडमिक्स, यू कैन इजीली डू whatever you want to do, the other curriculum activities and everything. You can do coding, you can, because now your prefrontal lobe is active, right? Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes, so let's see the demo कि किस तरह से हम लोग ये सारी चीजें ना अप्लाई करके हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So what you have to do, wait, just a second. Oh, please mute yourself, everybody. Yeah. So this is a portal base, right? You can write sabotech.in, you will get these things, and we are providing the free cover. As Parisar already mentioned, किस तरह से आप कौन सा module choose कर सकते हो? As you know, we have.
Can everybody go on mute, please? Can
Please
everybody go
आप
on mute?
mute कर लो बच्चा.
Shweta, if you can just explain the free cognitive test and just quickly take the test and end of it, show how this result will come, how the program is to be chosen.
Okay, so we provide a free cognitive test. Okay, so what you have to do, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स को लेना है तो एज अ पेरेंट्स यू कैन सिलेक्ट, और एज अ स्टूडेंट्स आपको आई एम अ स्टूडेंट पे क्लिक करना है. देयर इज सम सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? So now how good you are at remembering dates, facts, multiple instruction like a shopping list. मम्मा बोलती है ना जाके कितना लेके हम कुछ चीज भूल जाते हैं, right? तो वट एवर इज दिस, अगर मैम ने सिखाया कि ये डेट्स है, इस ये डेट पे ये हुआ था, एसएस में बहुत सारी डेट्स आती है, तो किस तरह से फैक्ट्स होती है, डेट्स होती है, वो भूल जाते हैं. देन आपको पता है कि आप भूल जाते हो तो आप इस पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. आपको पता नहीं है आई एम वेरी गुड एट, तो आप इसमें क्लिक करो. दैट्स हाउ देयर आर सम सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? यू हैव टू जस्ट रीड इट, एनालाइज योरसेल्फ, एनालाइज योर ब्रेन, आपकी एबिलिटी कितनी है, किस तरह से है. Then after this, I'm just fast forwarding this. फटाफट से मैं ऐसे ही आंसर दे, आप ऐसा मत करना. हाँ, I don't have much time, इसलिए मैं ऐसा कर.
It will take you only 5 minutes, so don't worry.
Yeah,
Take your time.
exactly.
It will take you only 5 minutes to take this test.
आप मुझे बोल रहे हो सर?
No, I'm telling the kids. I'm telling the kids.
अच्छा, okay. और जैसे जैसे आप इस तरह से ना स्टार मार्क करते जाओगे आपके एबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग, आपकी ब्रेन की एबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग, दैट्स हाउ यू गेट द आंसर. Yeah, so you put it your name, your email address and phone number and click on a get result. So my focus is this, my memory is this, and my intelligence is this. So you already get the recommend module कि कौन सा module best fit है for me, right? So it's a brain hack genius. Please mute yourself, Patra.
So you have to select this module and inform, and then we'll activate this module for you.
Exactly, yeah. So once you get the module, you got to know that this skill is lacking in me and this is the best fit for me. So once you get, register for any of this module, you can log in from here. Okay. And you already get the credential and the user.
What is the link?
Yeah, we'll give you that all the details you will get in your email ID. Okay. Whether it's your parents or yours.
Okay.
That everything is taken care by us. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, I am showing you one of the demo login first.
Shweta, you'll have to communicate in English because there are some kids who are not able to understand.
Yeah, sure. I will show you the demo login because there are some activity which are some time bound, right? Like these are the 5 activity you have to perform in a daily manner for your activity of prefrontal lobe. Okay. Right. So very first, it's about like meditation. I know meditation is a very, tough term for us, like kids like you. So
No.
it's a very, yeah, who is talking?
Ma'am, actually, it's not a big task.
Oh, कौन बोल रहा है ये? Who is talking? That not a big task. I'm sharing the screen, so I'm not able to see you, right? So let's just finish this demo and then we can do the question answers. You can ask or you can say that meditation is very easy for I'm doing it every day. So whatever it is, we'll discuss in afterwards. Okay. Yeah. So it's as somebody said, it's not a big task. So let's play this music and everybody listens with the earphones or headphones and let me know if it's a big task or not. Okay.
Yes.
Everybody close your eyes for 1 minute.
Shweta, the volume is not clear. I think, there is a little, it's not clear.
Now?
No, the volume it's not coming in.
So
Can you
now,
replay it? Sunai nahi de raha.
okay.
If you can just play it again.
I just मैंने share sound नहीं किया था, maybe.
So this is something that you have to listen to every day. Shweta ma'am will explain you. Just kids, have faith. Now it's clear. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, who is finding tough, raise their hand. Otherwise, don't raise. Good. Thank you. Yeah, it's very easy, right? So we created such a music that you don't have to do meditation. You just need to listen this music. This music is created in such a way that this leads you to the meditative state automatically, right? So there is no need to do meditation or something like, you have to listen something, or you have to make sure that, eyes closed for a 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. It's just about whatever time it takes. It's like, there's a different music, a different time for every day. Like, today is, for an example, 5 to 10 minutes, or tomorrow is maybe 10, 12 minutes or 13 minutes next day. That's how it's gradually increase or decrease the time. So whatever time it is, you just need to listen the music, and that's it. It's a morning activity, right? So it's available only 5 a.m. to 11. So between 5 a.m. to 11, you need to log in and you need to finish this one activity for sure. Okay. And this activity is in the morning time, because, I know that when it comes to our brain is work on a frequency, right? There is alpha, beta, gamma, delta. There is too much frequency in our brains. There is a neurons. So the neurons, the way it connected, it creates an impulse. Okay. And that's how it calls at a frequency, right? The brain frequency. So what we have done, we know that, to improve your focus, to improve your memory, there is certain frequency needed fed across to the brain. So what we have done here, like we created that frequency music, and when it comes to frequency, it's always a humming sound. So sometimes it's irritating for you. So we've done a lot of research, everybody from South, many kids were there. So the classical music, it's very important. The brain, brain पे music का impact ज़्यादा होता है. But when it comes to classical, the 80% more impact is there. So we done a lot of research on a classical music, the ragas, and even the natural sound, right? The natural sounds, the wave sound, water sound, rain sound, and all. So we blend all this music and make it very soothing. So you love to listen this music. And what this give you, what kind of benefit it give you? It gives you energy for whole day. आपके जितने भी whatever online classes there, or coaching classes there, or some coding related classes, or any other activity or any other curriculum activity you are doing in this time. So it gives you a total 100% focus for each and every task, right? So this is just a 10 to 15 minutes morning activity. Done? Everybody understood? Now next is game. I know everybody loves to play game, but what we have done is 8 years old kid is very small, so they have a different kind of intelligence, and 15 or 20 years old is a different kind of intelligence. So we design in such a way, the way you enter your birth date in your profile, it gives you a level wise games, right? And if you choose for a focus, each and every game is just for focus. If you are choose the memory program, the games is just for enhancing your memory. I'm just giving you one demo game, demo. So you got the idea what kind of games are there, right? There is a 4 classification: the water animal, the forest animal or animal, and insects, and you have to do in a reverse manner. You know, if I have to choose this, then I have to do it in a reverse manner, like this. And there is a very limited time you have to finish from. That's how you get the next level, and that's how. Just a second.
Children, are you enjoying seeing this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, very much.
Yeah, so it's very interesting, right? You all will do this every day. You are promising everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Yashveda.
Yeah. So after finishing the brain training game, you have the mental marathon. Now you just won the competition, so I know it's very easy for you.
Welcome to the mental marathon.
Okay. Let's see किस को आता है. You can write the answer in a chat box. Okay. There is a series. क्या? Somebody saying something?
You can put your answer in the chat box. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Look at the series.
39.
1, 4,
Okay. There is no 39 beta here. Srikar.
Yeah.
Srikar, there is no 39.
Sir, it will be 47.
47. Okay. Anybody else?
What number should next come, right?
Yeah, that's right.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36.
You'll get some very interesting answer questions like this. 45. Okay. Is 1 square to 4 is square or something?
Yeah,
Children from 7th, 8th.
Sir, it will be 37.
You can write it on a chat box, please.
Write your answer on chat box. 49. Okay. Kotandru. 45. Ojasvi 45.
So agar aap,
Datta 40.
if you are not able to answer, it's okay. This questions are just made up for a 12 years or about 12 years old kid. So it's okay agar aap chote ho, if you won't able to
Yeah.
answer.
Shweta, you can explain.
Yeah. So 1 is 1 square. It's 2 square is 2 multiplied by 2. 4. 3 multiplied by 3. Yeah. 4 multiplied by 4. It's 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are
49.
exactly.
Mm.
So answer is 49.
Keep
Right?
it up.
So now the linguistic. It's very easy. Temple, God, then home.
Family. I mean,
Family.
Well,
Or you can write it down on a chat box. But otherwise, बाकी बच्चे कैसे answer देंगे? Okay.
Everybody saying family. Okay. Good.
Nice
Very
job.
good.
Very good. Now this is some tricky question. If optional is written like this, then how academic, if I want to write this academic in the same coding language, then how should I write it? Like, I just give you a hint. See, closely. This OP is switched to PO. This OP, it switched to PO. Now let me know in a chat box.
1, 2, 3, 4. Batao. Maybe you can,
Yeah.
if you think first answer is right, then write 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the fourth
Yeah.
answer is right, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Acha, 4. Somebody saying 4. Okay. Anybody else? 3. 3. Okay. 3. We got 2 3s. 3s. A lot of people are saying 3. Shweta. Quick and 3.
Okay. Areva. Everybody is very much intelligent. That's how you won this competition, right? Okay. And you get the total explanation here, right? The whole explanation. So next time relevant question came, so you can easily answer, right? Now, Rajnikant is facing south. Then, you need pen or paper. People like me, I have a very bad visualizing things or direction based question. So I will always double check my question. Like he turns right and walks 40 meters. Then he turns
one
left
question
and
from my side. How much time you still need?
just 5 minutes. Just
Okay.
2
Sure,
3
sure.
minutes.
Sure, please. Yeah. We are over time. So
Yeah, sure. So I just click on any option. Okay.
Congratulations.
So last one. Select the odd one out, like profit gain, debit credit, profit loss, or none of this. Debit credit, it seems like opposite. Profit loss, again opposite. This is,
Profit and gain. Profit gain.
yeah, it's a synonym. Very good. Okay.
That's the right answer.
Okay, now this is last, huh? So I just give you 30 seconds. What you have to do, you just need to observe this image. I just scroll down this image, like you have to zoom out. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah. So what you have to do, you just remember as many things as you can, like basic, what is the color of clock, and whatever things you can see, you just try to observe it and remember it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I will not ask how many books were there. Okay, itna difficult nahi hoga. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay. Now write it down in a chat box. Huh? Chat
Orange.
box.
I mean red.
Orange is not enough. Yeah, right. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
red.
Good.
Red.
Okay. Color of carpet.
Yellow.
Brown.
Yellow.
Brown, ma'am.
Yellow.
Brown.
Okay.
Brown.
That's the
Yeah.
right answer.
But it
Red.
gray.
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 Very good.
Congratulations.
Very good. Okay.
Green.
Blue.
Green. Green.
Blue.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
The too much
Green.
blue and green.
It's green.
That is not the
Oh,
right
Yeah, green.
answer.
Green. Blue is not.
Yes, green. 3 can it happen.
Oh,
Four.
very
Keep
good.
it up.
Everybody, now this is the last image-based riddle. There is some mistake in this image. You have to find it.
Ma'am, the camel do not have two
Tree in the
arms.
desert. The tree
Yeah.
in the desert. Tree in the desert.
But it's a palm tree, so वो तो desert में होता है. Oh, that's not okay. Two hump camel. If I click,
Yeah,
on-
but those are there.
have only single
Oh,
Yeah, but
There are
some
some
camels also have
camels.
two.
exactly, two humps. Yeah. You know, see closely. It's a sunny day. You can see the sun. Desert
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there. Something is missing.
Cactus.
Cactus, no.
Ma'am, cactus. The tree.
When the sun is there, something else is. Something
Ears
is.
of the camel. Ears of the camel.
Something. Tree has something, but
The palm
something.
tree is not withered. Ma'am, ears.
कौन बोला answer? Who is-
Shadow.
Yeah,
Correct.
you know, you
Shadow.
can see the shadow of tree, but there is no shadow of camel. So if I
Camel.
click on here, yeah, exactly. So we will
Thanks for
find.
completing your task. See you tomorrow with something new.
So you love this, no,
Get
this
out of here.
activity, but you can now everybody mute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Everybody mute yourself, please. Yeah. Okay. So you love this kind of activity, but you cannot do it for a longer time. Once you get the assignment, you already answer these questions, it finish. Now, due to this pandemic time, your visuals are really, you know, everything is online. So your eyesight is suffering. So we provide an item, it's a complimentary exercise. It's a 2 minutes of activity. What you have to do is just play it, see the video, and just you can close it, right? So I'm not spending much time on.
Hello and welcome to your today's iGym exercise. Make sure you are either using computer or laptop or any big screen. If you are using tablet, it should be minimum of 10-inch in size. Keep your face closer to screen around 1 to 1 point.
If you just fast forward.
Yeah. So you will get the instruction for each and every video. What you have to do, you have to steady your face and just roll your eyeball to follow this red ball. Okay. And every
Don't
day.
move your
you
head.
need
Like
to
30
come-
seconds.
Yeah.
Now rub your eyes trying to see you tomorrow for next iGym exercise.
Okay.
And the last activity, night music. So kids,
Yeah.
you have to do these activities every day, you know, once you get this module activated. And you'll get a complete proper, you will get a analytics also around this.
Yeah, the last is night music. You know, there is no need to spare time for it. Whenever you're going for a sleep, you just need to listen this music while sleeping. It's 30 minutes music, but it's okay if you sleep within a 10 minutes. Okay, so that's the music. I'm just playing it. just you get the idea how soothing this music is.
We are not able to hear the music.
Now,
Yeah, we can hear.
Now it's free.
The sound is like water flowing in a river.
yeah, exactly. So that's how we created such a beautiful music that you love to listen this music while sleeping. What this music is do, the memory formation, short term to long term memory convert, everything is happening in a night time. We are sleeping, but our brain is on a working mode. So it gives a energy, it gives a right energy or glucose or everything, the right synaptic connections built. So everything is done in night time, and this gives a delta waves deep productive sleep. So brain अपना अच्छे से काम करे while we are sleeping. Okay, so that's how you have to perform this 5 activity on a daily basis for just 1 month or 2 months, right? Okay, now I just get to take your 2 minutes to आप सब everybody is doing this.
Meanwhile, any questions anybody has can ask. Any questions anybody has? Yeah, Shweta, just quickly show the analytics. So you'll see this analytics every day.
Yeah, like
we are beyond time.
Yeah, कौन सा day है, what is the activity you have done, like जो activity per day होती होगी. If not done, then it's shows that cross tick. And based on this mental marathon, this games, it gives a cumulative performance. You can see how much meditation I have done till date, 97%. How much night music I have listened, 79%. How many answers I have rightly, how many questions I have rightly answered, 66% in mental marathon. How much my performance in each and every game, it's 77%. Yeah, parents wants to see per day, on a 7th day, the night music is only 72% done, and that's how you get the exact analytics of your morning meditation and the night music. And this mental marathon per day, how many questions you rightly answered, this gives you a cumulative percentage, right? On a 15-day, 100%, मतलब सारे answer right होंगे, and that's how. Same for, we are providing 2 types of games, warm up and training. So each game's performance, you can see it from here. Okay. If you're not playing, then it gives you 0%. And based on that, you will get how much my critical thinking improved, logical thinking, linguistic, imagination, observation, visual, memory, how much I reacted for each and every question. That's how you get all the information by day-to-day activities. That's how that's it I want to share with you. If you have anybody have any questions, you can ask.
Sweta, I have one question. So thanks for the demo of the product. It's really very interesting, and I think students should really benefit with the features what is available from day to day. For the winners now, they have to take the test, and then they need to inform you to unblock that particular module at free of cost, correct?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so I think probably we have the email IDs and we'll inform them. So please send us the details how they can do this, like the websites and what they need to follow the steps, so that at least the winners should able to start with this, and they give their experience to their friends, and certainly they should see the benefit of using this platform Serbotech, which certainly improves their cognitive skills on day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
And it is not only winners, it is not only the winners, others can also take this test. It is free.
Exactly, that is right.
So,
Others
yeah.
also can take this test.
Yeah,
I think here anyway the teachers are there, like Shalini madam and others, Sailaja madam. So probably they should able to remind the students once again in the
Sure, sir.
experience.
We'll do
And
that from our end because it is very nice and interesting.
yes,
Most
ma'am.
probably I'll implement with my child only first.
Sure, that's great. Sure.
Yes.
Yes. I think we are overshoot with the time.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about it.
Paresh and Sweta. So thanks for both of your presentation. And madam, coming back to students, Shalini madam, you gave some names, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So are the students are still there to give their
Yes, sir.
names? So maybe you can give the names, and then I can put them onto the spotlight or something like this, madam.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hi all, my name is Nandini. I'm from 7th class GTGS. First, I would like to say thanks to GTGS, Rao sir and all my teachers. They provided me good study platform. It helps to improve all my skill sets. I'm enjoying all my studies here. Thanks to GTGS, Rao sir and all teachers.
TudyBuddy also.
Thanks, Nandini.
Also, I would like to say thanks to TudoBuddy as they provided a platform for me to prove myself. I'm pretty happy about this. I'm sure I will achieve many things like this. This achievement gives me tremendous happiness and enthusiasm. Thank you, TudoBuddy. I also would like to say thanks to Shalini madam. She teaches English for us. Thank you, ma'am, for being such a good teacher. I also would like to say thanks to all my classmates as they have been very supportive to me. And finally, I would like to say thanks to my parents. As always, they have provided me very good, encouraging environment. I have a big dream, and this achievement gives me more hope that I can reach my goal. Thank you all.
Thank you, dear. Srikar?
Thanks, Nandini.
Srikar? Are you there, Srikar? Moving on to Yutika.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm there. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Yutika. I would like to begin by extending a thank you to all my dear teachers and my lovely parents who have considered me that I could achieve this. Without them, I would not be able to achieve what I have been awarded for today. Moving on, I would like to thank TudoBuddy for conducting these championships and for awarding the certificates to me. Once again, thank you all for supporting me.
Thank you.
Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanvi Angara from class 8. First of all, I thank the school for giving us opportunities to prove ourselves. We thank all our teachers and our principal ma'am. We also thank TudoBuddy for conducting these exams to increase our knowledge and to lose our fear for exams. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. So, any more students like to share their experience? Madam Shalini?
Indrahas?
Yeah, I'm Indrahas from grade 5. I'm from Geetanjali, the global school. This class is very good. Tomorrow onwards, I will start my exercises.
Sir, second student for your program, sir. From my end, one, and second one will
Yes.
be Indrahas.
For-
But
for
very
Servo
nice and
Tech.
interesting,
That's
sir.
right.
Very impressive, actually. Within a short time, it grabbed our attention.
There are very new questions.
Hmm.
Thank you.
I am able to answer 33 only.
Yeah, so yeah, both have the similar functionality of exam, Paresh. So Indrahas is happy to understand the product demo from Servo Tech,
Great.
and
Great.
he is happy to take the experience from the TudoBuddy exam. What we
Okay.
can.
Thank you, sir.
So,
and ma'am.
that's great, Indrahas. Nice.
Thank you, Indrahas. Srikar?
Thank you, Shalini, ma'am.
Thank you, Indrahas.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I say a big thanks to our school, which gave me a nice study platform and a good opportunity to participate in the other activities. And thanks for TudoBuddy to give me the exam and encourage my study levels. I learned new meanings, new questions from that. Thank you, Shalini ma'am, for encouraging me to do this. Thank you.
Thanks, Rika. Nice. So,
Harshit?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our school, Geetanjali, the global school, our principal ma'am, and especially Shalini ma'am for providing us this amazing platform TodoBuddy. I learned a lot from this exam, which is conducted by TodoBuddy. So I would like to thank TodoBuddy for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Once again, TodoBuddy gave us a wonderful opportunity to participate. Not only that, it encouraged our child and our children also, sir.
Thanks, madam. So yeah, so we'll provide more information and news about what we are doing on day-to-day or week-to-week basis. So probably we can stay tuned to our emails or information, madam. Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. And thanks, Paresh, and thanks, Veta, for your wonderful presentation of Serbotech products. And
thank you very much.
So even I
It's a
have
pleasure.
learned very new things about your product. So it's really very interesting. So yeah, and hope the students also loved it. And certainly I encourage, and I once again make a point that please use the platform of Serbotech and benefit the products like music or to build the more cognitive skills.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I would request all the children winners, take the test, or your parents can take the test, or teachers can take the test and come back to us in terms of which is the program that we have to activate for you. Maybe that will be great.
Yeah, Paresh, please send me the email
We'll do
with the
that.
steps, I would say, and I forward these to the students, including your email ID or whatever, so that they can contact you directly for the
Sure,
further
sure.
details.
We can do that. We
Paresh,
can do
yeah.
that. Sure.
Okay, and thanks everyone, and thanks once again to Geetanjali, the Global School, and the KGVB school for participating in the test and the inter-school competition, and for being part of this Zoom session. And wish you all the best. And the last, TodoBuddy will send the trophies to the school, and we request the school to present these to the students in coming days, because it takes some time to reach to the schools. So not immediately, probably in 1 week or 1.5 weeks it takes to reach to the schools, and I will coordinate on this. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and I'm closing the session. And
Thank
have a
you.
nice Sunday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.